Okay, Sakshi. Okay, Sakshi, then please try to understand in today's class, as you have already missed some topics, so you might face some difficulty. Okay, please let me know if you have any doubt while doing the questions.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay, yeah, Krishna.
So it's from question number 11, exercise 7.3.
Okay, okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so question number 11, exercise 7.3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which part? All the three?
Sir, it is, yes, sir, all the three connects.
All the three. Okay, and Krishna, did you try to do the questions from the assignments?
Yes, sir, I have completed assignment 1. Assignment 2, I have completed a little bit, sir.
Okay, okay, no, okay. So the question is, in how many ways can the letters of the word permutations be arranged? Okay. The first part is words. Okay, there's a special. So Krishna, I will write this question and we will try some more questions, and after that we can do this one. Okay, this is another type which we have not covered yet.
Okay, sir.
Vowels are all together. And the third is there are always four letters between P and S. Between P and S. So we will start another type and then we'll do this question. So we have done the permutation. Now we have a question, permutation under certain condition. Under certain condition. For example, you will take a question. In how many ways? In how many ways can the letters of the word of word pencil be arranged so that purpose is n is always next to e. Second is n and e are always together. N and e are always together. Okay. So we already know that what is a permutation? It is a arrangement. So whenever we arrange something, and that means permutation. We have already done the simple questions. Now here we will find the arrangement, but certain condition will be given. So for example, in this question, they're saying that in how many ways can the letters or the word pencil be arranged so that n is always next to e. Okay, n is always next to e. So what does this mean? Here we have 6 alphabets. 1, 2, okay. And N is always next to E. So it means we have a E, and after that we have N. Okay. In the first part, they're saying N is always next to E. So that means we have first E, and after that we have a N. So take example. Suppose we have this A, B, and C. Okay. So with the help of these three alphabets, how many words can we form? We can form ABC. We can write ACB. We can write BAC. We can write BCA. We can write CAB. We can write CBA. Okay, so six words can be formed by using these three alphabet ABC. But if we give you a condition that C will always next to B, if the condition is C will always next to B, then what can happen? We can form this word ABC, or we can form this word BCA, because these C should always next to B. Now we have only two cases. Okay, earlier we have 6 cases, now we have only 2 cases. So you understand the question. Whenever they say that these N is always next to A, so what does that mean? You need to fix both the alphabets. So what's the method of solving these types of question? What you need to do in such type of question, treat two alphabet as a single alphabet. Okay, you need to treat the two alphabet as a single alphabet. They are saying that C should always next to B, then mark this as a single alphabet, because this can't move. This can't move, that's why mark this as a single alphabet. Now we have two alphabet, 1 and 2. Now these two alphabets can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial. That's why your answer was 2. Okay, so whenever in a question it is giving that this is always next to this, then what you need to do, take those 2-3 alphabets as a single alphabet and then try to find the arrangement. So in this question, they are saying N is always next to E. So what we will do, we will take this pencil, okay? CIL, then we have EN. So we will treat this as a single alphabet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 alphabets. So in how many ways can these 5 alphabets can be arranged as 5 factorial? Okay, Krishna, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Rishan? Rishan, please reply me on the chat box. Okay, and Sakshi, you might have some doubt in this because you don't know what is factorial. So please wait, we will start a combination after this and you will be able to understand the combination. Okay. Now, N is always next to it, this clear. So this is 5 factorial. So what does 5 factorial means? This is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 20 into 6 is 150. Okay, so always remember whenever they are saying that N is always next to E or this alphabet is next to this, then please take that as a single alphabet. Do not treat it as two alphabet. Treat this as a single alphabet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 factorial, which is equal to 120. Okay. Now, second part, N and E are always together. So Krishna, can you tell me what is the difference between first and second? Krishna, what is the difference between first and second?
Sir, sir, are they both the same?
Oh, these are not same. In the first one, they're saying N is always next to E. Then this means these two are fixed and N should always be next to E. So these two can't move. In the second one, they are saying the N and E are together. Then what is mean by together? Either this one or this one. Okay. So this means these two can interchange their position in the case number 2, because in 2 they are saying N and E are always together. So this is the option as well as this is the option. In the first one, they are saying N is always next to E, so only this option is possible. In the second one, we have both options. So in these types of question, what you need to do, first of all, fix these two and treat these two alphabet as a single alphabet. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have 5 alphabets over here. So this is 5 factorial. Okay. Now inside this box, you have 2 alphabets which can also be arranged. So Krishna, can you tell me in how many ways these 2 alphabets can be arranged?
You said 2 factorial.
2 factorial. Very good. So this is the answer for the second one. Okay. So this means 120 into 2, which is equal to 240. So please remember, in such type of question, you need to fix 2 alphabets, and as per the condition, you can arrange the alphabet inside the box or not. Okay. So please note on this. This is your answer, and confirm me. Then we will start the next question. Safan, you have completed the homework. No reply, Safan. Homework is done or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
What was the homework, Safan?
Yes, sir.
What was the homework?
Sir, I was not present in the last class.
Okay. Krishna, Rishan,
Yes, sir.
Safan,
Done.
done. Shall we start next? Everyone has noted this. Okay. Rishan, please reply me on the chat box. Now the next question is, how many different words, how many different words can be formed, with the letters of the word, with the letters of the word, equation, so that the words begin with E begin with E. Second is the word begin with E and end with N. Begin with E and end with N. Third is the word begin and end with a consonant. Okay. Please do the first part and share your answer. Rishan, please let me know if you have any doubt in this and if you have completed the first part. Now, fourth part is done.
Yes, sir.
Stefan, please try to do the first part. Stefan, reach down. Whoever has completed the part first, they can share the answer. Now, first part is done. Getting 7 factorial. Now your answer is 7 factorial. Now, please reply so that I can solve it. Are you getting a 7 factorial? You're on mute. Okay, so let's start with the part first. The words begin with E. So we have this alphabets equation. Now we need to form the word by using all the alphabets. And the condition is the word will always begin with E. Okay, so this is 3, 6 to 8. So we have 8 alphabets. Now this should always start with E. So this block have only single option. Now remaining blocks, now we have used this. Now we have 7 alphabets. Now the next block have 7 options. The next one have 6, next have 5, next have 4, next have 3, next have 2, and 1. So this means this is equal to 7 factorial, and you can calculate the value of 7 factorial. Okay, this is the first one. Now we have a second one. The words begin with E and end with N. So again, we have 8 alphabets. We have 8 alphabets and the word begin with E and end with N. Now, we have now the remaining you have 6 alphabets. So this block have 6 options. Next have 5, next 4, next 3, next 2, and 1. So this means this is 6 factorial. Okay. Now the third one. Third is the word begin and end with a consonant. So that means you have again this block. You have 8 alphabets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The word begin and end with a consonant. So here you must have a consonant, here you must have a consonant. So from this, how many vowels and consonant we have? We have this word, we have this equation. Now how many begin and end with a consonant? So this is a vowel, this is consonant, this vowel, this vowel, this consonant, this is vowel, and this is a consonant. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 consonant and remaining vowels. So we have 3 consonants and 5 vowels. Now this block, this should always be filled with a consonant.
So we
So
cannot hear you, sir.
my voice is not audible. Let me check. Krishna, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, I can hear you now, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Krishna, do you understand the type first?
Yes, I
Podcast?
got. Yes, I got it, sir.
Okay, so you're doing the third one. Okay, so this is the word begin and end with a consonant. So whenever they give you any condition, so first you need to put that condition. So the condition is the will start and end with a consonant. So we have 3 consonants. So the first block have 3 options. And Krishna, can you tell me the last block have how many options?
So 2 options.
2 options. Very good. So first have 3, last have 3. Okay. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have these 6 blocks and you have 6 alphabets. So these can be filled in 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 in these ways. So you can multiply all these, you will get the answer. Okay, so please note down this, confirm me, then I will start the next question. Krishna and other students, please confirm me once you note this.
Okay, sir.
Krishna, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
No. Stefan, Dakshi, and Rishan, please let me know if you have
Sir,
any doubt.
sir, can you explain the third last one again, sir? Last one again.
Third one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the question is the words begin and end with a consonant. So Krishna, how many consonant we have here?
5, sir.
Consonants, not vowel. You have this, you have this, and you have this. So you have three consonants.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question is, in the first and the last one, you always have a consonant. So the first block have how many options?
3, sir.
3. And the suppose we have used 1. Then in the last block, how many options we have?
2, sir.
2. So this have 3, last one have 2 options. Now remaining we have 6 alphabets and 6 places. So in how many ways can these 6 alphabets can be arranged?
6 factorial.
6 factorial. So what will be the final answer? 3, because of first. For last we have 2 and 6 factorial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
Got it, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we will try next one. How many words many words can be found from the letter of the word daughter so that purpose the vowels always come together and second is the vowels never come together. Okay, please please do the first part. The vowels always come together and share your answer. So everyone has done the first one. 4320. Okay. Yep, great. Krishna, that's great. Krishna, please try to do the type 2. Now, the question is how many words can be found from the letter of the word daughter so that vowels always come together. Okay, vowels should be together. So how this can be done? Vowels are A, U, E, and remaining are consonant D, G, H, T, and R. So they are saying vowels are together. We have already done these types of questions. So in such a case, whenever they say that these alphabets should come together, we will treat that as a single alphabet. Now, how many alphabets now we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 alphabet. We will treat this as a single alphabet. So we have 6 alphabets. So this is 6 factorial. Now the alphabet inside these box, these 3 can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial. So this is our answer, 3 factorial into 6 factorial. Okay, so Safan, Rishan and Sakshi, you are not able to understand right now. Please wait for a new topic. And Rishan and Safan, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Okay, now please try to do the second one. The vowels never come together, and share your answer. And if you have any doubt in the second one, then please let me know.
So can you solve the second one?
Yes. Now, in the second one, they are saying the vowels never come together. So it is very difficult to find these types of words where they are saying these two words should never be together. So what we will do, we will find the opposite of this. So first of all, we will find the total number of words. Total number of words from the alphabet. From the alphabet dot. Okay. We'll find the total number of words from the alphabet dot. How many words can be formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will give us 8 factorial. Now, number of words where vowels never come together. Okay. So this is equal to what? Total number of words. Total number of words minus number of words where vowels always come together. Always come together. Okay. So we will find an opposite way. We will find the total number of words, and from that we will subtract the number of words where vowels always come together. So that will give us the remaining words where the vowels never come together. Krishna, this is clear now?
Yes.
Okay, so the final answer will be 8 factorial minus 3 factorial, 6 factorial. Okay, this we have found just right now. This we have done in the part first. And Krishna, Rishan, please let me know if you have any doubt in this one. Okay, otherwise please note down this and confirm me, and we will start a new question. And all of you, please confirm me once we note down this so that we can start the next topic.
So shouldn't we not find the value of 8 factorial minus 3
Yes,
factorial?
yes. That's you need to find.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we will start our next type of questions. Okay. Any doubt in these topics where some condition is given in the question?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Next, we will start our next type, permutation of objects. Permutation of objects not all distinct. Inclusion of objects, not all distinct. So what does this mean? Suppose we have three alphabets, A, again A, and B. So Krishna, can you tell me how many words can be formed by using these alphabets? So it is better if we will take A1, A2, and B, and finally we will remove this. Okay. So words can be formed A1, A2, B, then A1, B, A2, then A2, A1, B, then A2, B, A1, then B, A1, A2, then B, A2, A1. So normally these words can be formed, but now what can we do? We can remove these numbers. Okay. Now, how many words are there? We have this one, two. There's a similar. Remove this. There's a similar. Remove this, and we have this one. So we have one. We have two. We have three. So if we have alphabets where some alphabets are repeating, then our answer will change. Okay, so how can we find the total words? What you need to do, you have three alphabets, 1, 2, 3. So you need to write this 3 factorial. Then you need to check which alphabet is repeating how many times. So we can see here the A is repeating 2 times. That's why what we will do, we will divide this 3 factorial with 2 factorial. So we'll get this answer. If we will solve this 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial, these two will cancel out and finally we will get a 3. So 3 words we will get. Okay, Krishna, this clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay, so what is our method? Whenever we have our alphabets which are repeating, then we will divide the complete arrangement by that number. For example, if we have 3a, so we will divide this, we will write 4 factorial and we will divide with 3 factorial because a is repeating 3 times. Okay, I hope everyone understood this. Safan, Rishan, if you have any doubt, then please let me know or we can start a new question. Okay, just give me a minute. Please try to do this question. How many different words, how many different words can be formed? Different words can be formed with the letters of the word, with the letters of the word. Please try to solve this and share your answer. Okay, and there's one more part in this. In how many of these permutations four eyes do not come together, do not come together. Okay, so first please try to do the first part. How many different words can be formed with the letter of the word Mississippi? Fun? Any doubt in these types of questions? Stefan, any doubt? Rishan? Krishna, can you solve it or you need help in
Yes, sir, I can solve, sir.
Okay.
I'll just send the answer.
Okay, very good. And Sapan, please let me know if you can do this. Krishna, great. This is correct. Please try the second part. And in the meantime, Safan, I will solve this question for you. So we need to find how many different words can be found with the letter of the word Mississippi. So first we need to count all the alphabets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this is 11 factorial. After this, we will count which alphabets are repeating how many times. So I is repeating 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 4 factorial. S is repeating 4 times, 4 factorial. And P is repeating 2 times, 2 factorial. So this is the answer, Tapan. You can solve this and you will get that. Now, Krishna, if you have any doubt in the second part, then you can let me know. Krishna, you have completed the part second.
Yes, sir. I'll just send it. One second.
Oh, okay.
Sir, you can solve, sir. I'm getting very huge numbers actually.
Okay. So they're saying in how many of these permutation four i's do not come together. Okay, so it is very tough to find this one. So you have already completed this part, and the answer you are getting is 34650. Now we will do the opposite. In how many of these permutation four I do not come together? So first of all, we'll find number of words in which four i's come together. Come together. So this is equal to what? We can write like this. M double is tan and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we will do, we will find the word in which four I come together. So we will treat this as a single block. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we will treat this as a single alphabet. So this you have 8 factorial. Then here you have 4s, so 4 factorial, and you have here 2 factorial. Now inside this box, so 4i can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, but all these are same. So you will divide this with 4 factorial. Okay, so this is the option. You can show this step or you can leave this. Okay, so we get here the number of words in which four i's are come together. So this one. Now number of words in which four i's do not come together. So this is equal to what? Total number of words. Total number of words minus number of words. Number of words in which four i's come together. Come together. So this will give you the 34650 and minus this 8 factorial by 4 factorial 2 factorial. Okay, you can do the calculation. Krishna, you have used this method only?
No, sir, I made mistake, sir.
Okay, okay. Any doubt in this?
No, sir, I got it.
Okay. Rishan, if you have any doubt, then please let me know, Rishan and Safan. Otherwise, please note down this and we will try next question. Should we start next? Everyone is noted this.
Just 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
We have this question. How many permutation of the letters of the word of the letters of the word of the letter. Okay, please try this question. Everyone, please try to solve this question and here you answer. Very good. Safan Rishan, please try to solve this question. Now here we have these alphabets, Apple. So we have these 5, and in this 2 are repeated. So we can solve this 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 2. 2 will cancel out, so we'll get a 60. The total words are 60. Okay, I hope this topic is now clear. And Krishna, you have a doubt in question number 11, exercise 7.3. Now, can you try that question?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can do that. Okay, and if you again have a doubt in the same question, we'll discuss that in the next class. Okay, then this permutation is completed. In this chapter, we have a 2 parts, permutation and combination. Permutation is completed. Okay, in permutation, only a single part is remaining where you need to find the rank of a word. Okay, that we will do at the end of the chapter. Otherwise, the permutation part is completed. So please complete your NCRT, complete your assignments. And if you have any doubt, then we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Now, today we will start the combination. Sakshi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Sakshi, this is a new topic. Now you will able to understand this one. Okay, and permutation we will again teach you in the backup classes, or we will share the video lectures with you. You can do the permutation from that. Okay, now combination, Sakshi, for you, before combination we will do the factorial. Okay, so suppose Sakshi we have 3 factorial, then what is 3 factorial? Factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. If you have 4 factorial, then that means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, you will multiply all this. There's 6, there's 24. So Sakshi, can you tell me what is 5 factorial?
5 into 4 into 3 into 1.
Oh, very good. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is equal to 120. Okay, so Sakshi, you're from which school?
Sir, Indian School Vadikabi.
Okay. Okay, then we will do the combination one. Now, Sakshi, combination means selection. Okay, permutation means arrangement. Whenever the word permutation came, that means arrangement, and combination means selection. So, for example, we have 3 alphabets actually, A, B, and C. So we need to select 2 alphabets. In how many ways can we do that? We can select A, B. Now, whenever we are doing the selection, then A, B, and B, A means the same thing. We have 3 alphabets, we need to select 2 alphabets. We need to select, okay, not arrange. So either we will say AB or we will say BA, then this is the same thing in case of selection. So 2 alphabets can be selected in this way, AB. This can be selected in this way, AC. This can be selected in this way, BC. So we have 3 options, AB, AC, and BC. This clear, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so by the help of formula, how can we do this? We have the formula NCR. Okay, NCR. So what does this means? NCR means n factorial by r factorial, n minus r factorial. Okay, Rishan and Safan. If you have any doubt in this, please let me know. So we have this NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now, we will apply this formula over here. What do you mean by n? N represent the total alphabets, total digits, total quantity, total items. N represent total. R represent the number of items, number of alphabet which you select from n. So for example, in this case, how many total alphabets are there, Sakshi?
So 3.
Very good. You need to select 2 alphabets. So can you tell me what is the value of R?
2.
Very good. 2. So in this case, we need to select 2 alphabets. That's why our formula will become 3C2. Okay. So this will give us what? This will give us, apply this formula, n factorial. N factorial means 3 factorial. By r factorial. What is r? R is 2. So 2 factorial. Next is n minus r. N minus r means 3 minus 2 factorial. So this will give you 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 1 factorial. So this will give you 3 into, okay, Sakshi, so finally we get 1 factorial means 1. So finally we are getting this answer, 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Now, how can we solve this? You have 2 methods. You can expand this complete 3 into 2 into 1. You can expand the denominator 2 into 1. You can cancel out this and you get a 3. This is your first method. What is the second method? You will expand the greater number up to a smaller one. So you can expand the 3 up to 2 factorial, because in the denominator you already have a 2 factorial. You can cancel out this directly. Okay, so we will prefer this method where we have a greater number. We will expand that up to a smaller one and we will cancel both the numbers. So Sakshi, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Krishna, Safan, and Rishan. If you have any doubt, then please let me know.
It's clear, sir.
Okay, very good. Rishan and Safan. So for the combination, always remember what is mean by combination. Combination, this means selection, and note down this formula and confirm me. We will try some questions. And after that, we will again start the word problem as we have done in the permutation. Rishan and Safan, this is a new topic for you also, so I expect that you understand this topic. Please reply. So I hope everyone has noted this. Please try this question. Just give me a minute. Try all these questions and share your answer one by one. Okay. Please complete the first one and share your answer. Then similarly, second one and so on. Very good. That's correct. Sakshi completed the first part. Very good. Not 45 factorial, Sakshi. 45. Okay. So we will try this question. So this will give you 10 factorial by 8 factorial, 10 minus 8 factorial. So this will give you 10 factorial by 8 factorial into 2 factorial. Now, how can you solve this? 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Okay. In this number, there's no need to write the factorial. And 8 factorial, this 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. So 8 factorial will cancel out completely. This will give you 5. You will multiply these two and you will get a 45. Okay, Sakshi, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And please try the part second and share your answer. Krishna, very good. This is correct. This is 4950. Good. Sakshi, very good. This is correct. Krishna, very good. Third is correct. Sakshi, good. Third is correct. Now, very good. This is correct. Okay. So you get answer 6 here, and here also you are getting a 6. Very good. So there's no doubt in these types of questions. Now we will do some properties. Properties of combination. Okay. First property is we will take example. In the previous case, 6c5, we have 6c5 is equal to 6 and 6c1 is also equal to 6. Okay, both the values are same. 6c5 and 6c1 both have the same value, 6. So we can say that NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Please check here. 6c5 is equal to 6. 6c1 is also equal to 6. Now, what is the relation? We can say that 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, in place of this 1, we can say this is 6 minus 5. In place of this, we can write this also 6c, 6 minus 5. So NCR and NCN minus R, if we will compare these two, this is 6c5 and this is 6c6 minus 5. If we will check these, then what is the relation? So if this is NCR, and what is this? This is NCN minus R. So this is the relation between these two. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Sakshi, Krishna, Safan, Rishan, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, okay, Rishan, very good. Now, the second one. NCX is equal to NCY. So from this, NCX is equal to NCY. So can we say that X is equal to Y? Can we say X is equal to Y if these two are equal?
No, sir.
Okay. Why, Krishna?
Okay. Yes, I got it. Yes, sir,
Okay.
it's equal.
We can say, but you are also correct. There's one more solution for this one. So if we will check the previous example, we have 6c5 and we have 6c1 and these two values are equal. Here, this is not equal to this one, but still the value is same. So we have either first option, X is equal to Y. If these two are not equal, for example, in these two cases, then if you will add this 5 plus 1, then you will get a 6. This means either x is equal to y. If these two are not equal, then x plus y is equal to n, which happened in this case. Here 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So whenever you have ncx is equal to ncy, then you have two options. First option is either x is equal to y, or second option is x plus y is equal to n. Sakshi, Rishan, Krishna, and Safan. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Sakshi, this is clear? Okay, very good. Rishan, Safan. Okay. Please try this question. First, tell me what is the value of n. First, tell me what is the value of n.
Fourteen, sir.
Very good, Krishna. Now find NC2. And Sakshi, Rishan, and Safan, please first tell me the value of n, then solve it. Sakshi, very good. Now find the value of NC2. And Rishan, please share your answer. No, very good. This is correct. Please let me know if you get the answer. Sakshi, this is done. Rishan, Safan, what the answer? Sakshi, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you get the answer?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. And very great. This is correct. Rishan, is there any topic in which you have doubt today in today's class? And Sakshi, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Not sure what's the problem. So you're getting n is equal to 14. This is correct. You need to find NC2. So this means 14C2. So this means 14 factorial by 2 factorial into 14 minus 2 factorial. So this is equal to 14 factorial by 2 factorial into 12 factorial. So this is equal to 14 into 13 into 12 factorial by this is 2 factorial into this is 12 factorial. So this will cancel out. This 2 will cancel this 7. Okay, 2 factorial means 2 into 1. That is 2. Now you can multiply this. This will give you 91. So this is the answer. So Krishna and Rishan, very good. This is correct. And Sakshi, if you have any doubt, then you can tell me in this question. Then please try this one. If NPR is equal to 720 and NCR is equal to 120, find R. Okay, NPR is equal to this, NCR is equal to this. You need to find the value of R. So there's just calculation in this question. Please try to do this. And Sakshi, please note down the formula NPR. This is equal to n factorial, okay, by this is n minus r factorial. So this is a formula for NPR. The formula of NCR is what? This is n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. Formula of NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, please try to do this question and share your answer. Krishna, very good. This is correct. R is equal to 3. Good. And Sakshi, very good. This is correct. Rishan, please share your answer. Rishan, this is done. Do you have any doubt in this? Please check this, Rishan. NPR is equal to 720. So in place of this, you can put 720. This is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let this be 1. Now NCR is this, and NCR you have 120. So you can put 120 is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. This is second. So divide 1 by 2, or it's your choice. What you can do, put this value here. So put n factorial by n minus r factorial is equal to 720 in second. Put this complete values is equal to 720 in this one. So you will get 120 is equal to 720 by r factorial. So shift this r factorial to this side. So you will get 720 by 120. And this you will get 6. R factorial is equal to 6. So what is mean by 6? You can write this as 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 is again 6. So what is 3 into 2 into 1? This is 3 factorial. That's why you will say that R is equal to 3. Rishan, this is clear? Okay, Rishan is not here. Okay, so R is equal to 3. Hope everyone understand this. Now we will do the practical problems on combination. Just we need to do 2 questions and today's class will over. Practical problems on combination. Okay. Please try this first question from a class of 32 students. From a class of 32 students, 4 are to be chosen. 4 are to be chosen for a competition. In how many ways? In how many ways can this be done? Can this be done? Okay, please try to solve this question. From a class of 32 students, 4 are to be chosen for a competition. In how many ways can this be done? So first of all, in the word problem, you need to check that this problem is of combination or a permutation. So as we have already discussed, permutation means arrangement. So whenever in a question there is arrangement, then we will use a permutation formulas. And whenever there is a selection. So here we have 32 students and you need to select 4 students. Okay, so this is purely a selection question. So that means combination. So what will be the answer? Total you have 32. From this you need to select 4 students. Okay, so this is 32C4. Please do the calculation. So you have 32 factorial, 4 factorial, 32 minus 4 factorial. So this will give you 32 factorial by 4 factorial into 28 factorial. You can do the further calculations. Okay, please note down this. Sakshi, this is clear because there's a new question for you. This is clear or you have any doubt in this? Okay. Okay, there's the last question of today's class. 3 gentlemen and 3 ladies are candidate for 2 vacancies. For 2 vacancies. A voter has to vote. A voter has to vote for 2 candidates. For 2 candidates. In how many ways? In how many ways can one cast his vote? Okay, so there's a question. 3 gentlemen and 3 ladies are candidate for 2 vacancies. A voter has to vote for 2 candidates. In how many ways can one cast his vote? Okay, so what does this mean? In this question, you have 3 gentlemen and 3 ladies. So total you have 6 candidates. And you need to select 2 candidates. So this means 6C2. Okay, so you have 6 candidates. Out of that, you need to select 2. So you have 6C2. So please solve this. 6 factorial, 2 factorial, 6 minus 2 factorial. So this will give you 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. You can further solve this. 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by this is 2 factorial into 4 factorial. This will cancel out. 6 into 5 by 2 into 1, so 2, 3. So this is equal to 15. Okay. Now, please let me know if you have any doubt in this. Krishna, Sakshi.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Sakshi, good. Safan, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Okay, so we have just started the combination. Remaining questions we will do in the next class. So please note down the homework for this week. So NCERT. Okay, Sakshi, you just need to do the questions of combination. So in CRT, other students need to do 7.1 to 7.4. Okay, and Sakshi, you just need to complete 7.4. Okay, plus you need to do the assignments. In assignments, you need to do first, second, third assignment complete, and from assignment fourth, you need to do question 1 to 5.